Good afternoon, YouTube. This is My British Computer Guy here. Not an LED project, but an actual unboxing. This is a Solo Stove. I've seen a lot of commercials for these recently, one involving Snoop Dogg. We'd seen one of these because one of my really good friends has got one, and we absolutely loved it. So this was actually purchased for us as a gift. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Let's take a look inside what's in it. We'll set it up and get it going. Wow, we're going to get it going in another video. So, some steps before you burn. Flip the ring. Okay, so it's fitting up. Start small. Okay, quality over quantity. What? You mean so I can't just throw some big old logs in there? That sucks. Good moments, lasting memories. That's the hashtag on there. Alright. I'll put the price of what it should cost in the description down below, and a link to where you can buy one. Some installation directions on how to use it. Care and use guide. Flip your flame ring. Okay, so I guess this just to make sure the flame goes out and it's not trapped, and it creates that. It does some sort of creating of a, what's the word I'm looking for? Convection kind of system where it comes up and it gets fluted back in. Yeah, that's the ring. So it comes with a nice Solo Stove cover. So if you wanted to leave it outside, you could. But we're not going to be doing that. It's going to stay nice and warm in my garage. Sort of the general. It really feels really good. I mean, that's definitely a thick, sturdy quality. Some exclusive offers. Win some free gear by submitting your photo. Got the logo on there. Drawstring. Paracord. Tough paracord drawstring, which is nice. And a little toggle to cinch it up. Okay. Nothing else in there other than polystyrene. Nice little flame sticker. Thanks. I'm not going to do with that. I'll just be sticking on the side, it'll probably melt. No? Who knows? Silicon gel, piece of foam. Not too sure exactly what that does, other than I guess it's the bag sits on top of this. I mean, it's pretty thick, a little bit overkill. Oh, and more foam. So I guess this is the ash. Some sort of grate that goes in the bottom, I guess. Kind of brushed on one side and kind of chrome looking on the other. So I guess this is down the bottom. Four pieces. This looks like the ash pan that you can take out to go ahead and empty your ashes. So once again, kind of a brushed stainless on one side and a kind of a more chromy look on the back and bottom. I guess it just sits in the bottom like so. I'll read the instruction to find out. That's it. I mean, that's all that comes out. I guess you need to make sure you've got that pan in because you don't want stuff falling down in there. Even though it looks like there are holes which go through and up into the Solo stove. It's not immune to fingerprints, that's for sure. But yeah, there you have it. And this is, I'm not too sure what the size is on this one. Okay, so dimensions wise, the outer ring is about 19¼ inches at its widest aperture, and it stands 14 inches tall. But yeah, that's a good looking fire pit. Solo stove, and apparently there's all sorts of accessories you can buy for this. So you can get there are tongs, there's a grill set that comes you can get for it as well. You can also get this extra poker, which is Solo Stove branded. I'm guessing obviously you can use any poker, but this is one of my friends, he left it last time he came. But yeah, there's all sorts of attachments. There are all sorts of attachments for this. You can cook on it. There's a grill that goes over the top, I believe, that you can use to grill food. So yeah, looking forward to getting this out there and giving it a try. But thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Stay tuned for more unboxings, tech videos, and LED content, and obviously Warzone. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Take time to subscribe, and all the links down in the description below. You'll have a great day now. Cheers.